What if I told you that over 169,000 Singapore dollar worth of drugs were intercepted at Woodlands Checkpoint in a daring attempt to smuggle narcotics into Singapore? Intrigued? Well, this story is about more than just a seizure. It's a stark reminder of the unrelenting efforts to combat the regional drug menace. Stick around as we unravel the details of this high-stakes operation and explore its broader implications. And as we dive into this, share your thoughts in the comments below. How effective do you think Singapore's strict laws are in deterring such crimes? On January 14, 2025, Singapore's Immigration and Checkpoints Authority (ICA) and Central Narcotics Bureau (CNB) thwarted a bold smuggling attempt. A 21-year-old Malaysian man riding a Malaysia-registered motorcycle was caught with a shocking haul of drugs. Hidden meticulously in various parts of the motorcycle were 4,648 grams of cannabis, 542 grams of methamphetamine, and 250 Aramin 5 tablets. The value of this seizure? Over 169,000 Singapore dollars. That's not just a number. It represents enough drugs to supply 970 abusers for an entire week. Now, here's a question for you. What drives traffickers to take such immense risks, especially when Singapore's laws are among the toughest in the world? Drop your thoughts below. For those unfamiliar, Singapore's Misuse of Drugs Act 1973 prescribes the death penalty for trafficking more than 500 grams of cannabis or 250 grams of methamphetamine. Let that sink in. This suspect was well over the limit for methamphetamine alone. So, why do traffickers persist despite these severe penalties? This incident isn't isolated. Earlier this month, CNB seized over 1 million Singapore dollar worth of drugs in another operation on January 4th. And just 5 days later, 2 Singaporean men were arrested in connection with drugs worth over 254,000 Singapore dollars. These recurring cases raise important questions. Are regional drug networks growing bolder? Is the promise of profit outweighing the risks? Share your views in the comments. Do you think more can be done to stop these networks? The persistence of smugglers highlights the scale and sophistication of drug operations in the region. Singapore's high vigilance at its borders is a deterrent, but the regional challenge remains immense. The CNB and ICA have once again proven their commitment to safeguarding Singapore, but the fight is far from over. If you found this story eye-opening, let us know by liking this video and sharing it with your friends. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more in-depth and detailed news coverage from 2230. What do you think is the most effective way to tackle the regional drug trade? Let's discuss below.